In Dreamville, where imagination lives, Detective Pip solves the impossible. But tonight's case? It's personal. Nimbus the dream cloud bursts in. Something's wrong. He's losing his colors, and dreams are vanishing across town. Every night, Nimbus collects dreams in magical jars. But tonight, they're all empty. Pip takes the case! But little does he know, this mystery connects to his very first unsolved case. Everything's frozen in time. What could stop dreams themselves? Purple footprints! But wait, Pip recognizes these from somewhere. A case from his past? A memory flashes. His very first mystery 20 years ago, never solved. Could they be connected? Whisper the cat, we need information.
Everything has a price, bird. Sardines.
Deal. Tell us about the factory.
Patience.
First, the payment.
I don't know, Pip.
Check the Forgotten Grove. Someone's been collecting forgotten things, including forgotten fears. The Forgotten Grove, where lost things go when no one remembers them. Even dreams can be forgotten. The thief! But he's crying? Murk the Nightmare isn't stealing dreams, he's trying to understand them. Everyone loves good dreams, but forgotten, unwanted, invisible. Wait, that memory? Murk was Pip's first friend. But when Pip stopped having nightmares, Murk vanished from his life. Dreams need nightmares. Facing fears in dreams makes children braver in real life. Nimbus gasps. He caused this. By banning nightmares, he broke the balance between dreams and reality. Nightmares aren't evil, they're courage trainers. We need both dreams and nightmares. Nimbus apologizes. Murk forgives. I'm sorry, Murk. I was just scared. I forgive you, Nimbus. We're friends. Sometimes the scariest things are just misunderstood friends waiting to help us grow. Together, they design the new Dream Factory, where sweet dreams and brave dreams work as a team. As balance returns, dreams flood back. Children worldwide sleep peacefully, ready to face fears and celebrate joys. Partners? Partners. The office gets a makeover. 2 detectives are better than 1, especially when they understand both light and shadows. The new system works. Kids dream of adventure, face their fears with Murk's gentle nightmares, and wake up braver. Even Whisper's impressed, though she'd never admit it. Whatever, I just wanted the sardines. Nailed it again, team!
Yay, we did it! Whatever, I just wanted the sardines.
Case closed! But in Dreamville, mysteries never sleep. And neither do these detectives!
What's next?
Sweet dreams. And brave ones, too!